Hello friends, welcome to Physiology Matters. We are starting a new series on medical physiology question bank. In this series, we will discuss the frequently asked questions in university examinations. Now this is the first video in this series, and in this video I will discuss the long answer question in paper 1. So I will discuss these questions system wise. First system is general physiology. In general physiology, two important topics are transport across cell membrane and resting membrane potential. In transport across cell membrane, types of transport, then mechanism and examples of each individual types can be asked as a part of the long answer question. Then resting membrane potential, what is the definition and factors contributing to the resting membrane potential. So this can be asked as a part of the long answer question on resting membrane potential. Then the next system is blood. First topic is erythropoiesis. So what is erythropoiesis? Then stages of erythropoiesis and factors affecting erythropoiesis. Then anemia. Definition of anemia, classification of anemia and a short note on nutritional anemia. So this can be asked as a part of the long answer question on anemia. Then hemostasis and anticoagulants. So on this topic, question can be asked as a define hemostasis or a define coagulation, describe the steps in the coagulation cascade, that is describe the coagulation pathway. Then add a note on anticoagulants, enumerate the names and mechanism of each individual type of anticoagulant. Then add a note on bleeding disorder, clotting disorder. So these can be part of the long answer question on hemostasis. Then the next topic is leukopoiesis. Here describe the process of leukopoiesis. This question can be asked. Then in leukocyte, morphology, types, their functions and variations in the number of leukocytes. So this can be asked as a part of the long answer question on leukocyte. Then add a note on phagocytosis. Immunity, here definition of immunity, classification of immunity and add a note or describe the cell mediated immunity. So this question can be asked as a part of the long answer question on immunity. Then the next system is respiratory system. First topic, lung compliance. Here definition of lung compliance, then what are the determinants of the lung compliance, factors affecting lung compliance and add a note on hyaline membrane disease. So these questions can be asked as a part of long answer question on lung compliance. Then mechanics of respiration, here describe the mechanics of respiration. This can be a long answer question. Then pulmonary ventilation, what is the mechanism of pulmonary ventilation and what is positive pressure breathing. Then respiratory membrane, here question can be asked as describe respiratory membrane, factors affecting, what are the factors affecting gaseous exchange across the respiratory membrane and carbon monoxide method. So this can be the part of the long answer question on respiratory membrane. Then another next topic is oxygen transport and carbon dioxide transport. So question can be asked on oxygen transport as describe the oxygen transport in blood and draw a well level diagram of the oxygen dissociation curve and describe the mechanism, or we can say the graph of the oxygen dissociation curve. Then what is or describe the carbon dioxide transport and add a note on Haldane effect. So this can be the part of the questions or long answer question on oxygen transport, carbon dioxide transport. Then neural and chemical regulation of respiration. Most of the time in the long answer questions, neural regulation is asked. So question can be describe the neural regulation of respiration. Then add a note on periodic breathing, add a note on Ornstein's curse. So this can be the part of the long answer question on neural and chemical regulation. Most frequently neural regulation is asked. Then the next topic is acclimatization or high altitude physiology. Here definition of acclimatization and what are the different physiological readjustments and compensatory mechanisms at high altitude. So this can be a part of this question, and pathophysiology of the pulmonary edema at high altitude. So these are the questions which can be asked as a part of the long answer question on acclimatization or high altitude physiology. Then the next system is cardiovascular system. Here first topic is cardiac cycle. Here definition of cardiac cycle, then phases, then pressure volume changes during cardiac cycle. Here diagram can also be asked as a part of the question. Then add a note on or what is the ejection fraction and describe the heart sounds. Here first, second, third and fourth heart sounds can be asked, and question can be a compare between the two heart sounds. So first and second or third and fourth. So this can be the part of the long answer question on cardiac cycle. Then the next topic is electrocardiogram, that is ECG. So definition of ECG, a well labeled diagram of normal ECG, then lead 2 in ECG and heart block. So this can be the part of the question on ECG. Then the next topic is coronary circulation. Here physiological anatomy, then factors affecting coronary circulation, special features of the coronary circulation, and add a note on angina pectoris. So this can be the part of the question or long answer question on coronary circulation. Then the next topic is blood pressure. Here definition of blood pressure, then regulation of the blood pressure. Most of the time long term regulation is asked, and add a note on hypertension. So here what is hypertension, which are the clinical features of hypertension, and what is the treatment of hypertension. So these are important parts of the questions or type of question which can be asked as a part of the long answer question on blood pressure. Then the next topic is cardiac output. So definition of cardiac output, factors affecting cardiac output, fixed method, and cardiac index. So what is the cardiac index, what is the formula, and what is its clinical significance. Then next topic is shock. Definition of a shock, classification, then stages. So compensatory and progressive stages are frequently asked. Then describe hemorrhagic shock, and most important part of this question is physiological basis of treatment of the shock. So I have made a detailed video in rapid revision series of physiology matters. You can watch that video also. Then the next system is renal physiology. Here sodium and water regulation. So question can be asked as describe the sodium and water regulation by kidney. So you have to write in detail about the regulation of sodium and water by kidney. Then the next topic is glomerular filtration rate. Here definition, normal values of the GFR, then factors affecting GFR, mechanism of regulation of GFR, and measurement of the GFR. So these questions can be asked as a part of the long answer question in on GFR, that is glomerular filtration rate. Then long answer question can be asked also on micturition. Here physiology of micturition can be asked. So you have to write what is micturition reflex, what is the mechanism, and which are the applied aspect here. Then gastrointestinal physiology. Here first topic is gastric juice and HCl secretion. In this topic, on this topic, composition of gastric juice, mechanism of HCl secretion, and add a note on peptic ulcer. So this question can be asked as a part of the long answer question on gastric juice and HCl secretion. Then the next topic is pancreatic secretion. Here composition of pancreatic secretion, functions of pancreatic secretion, and how the regulation of pancreatic secretion is there. So this regulation of pancreatic secretion can be asked. So these are the questions which can be asked as a part of the pancreatic secretion. Then deglutition, here describe the deglutition and add a note on the achalasia cardia. So these are the most important and most frequently asked questions in paper 1. Now out of all these topics, we will see again most frequently and most important topics. So these are transport across cell membrane, okay, resting membrane potential, erythropoiesis, anemia, hemostasis, leukopoiesis, immunity, then lung compliance, respiratory membrane, O2 and CO2 transport, neural regulation of respiration, acclimatization or high altitude physiology, cardiac cycle, ECG, then blood pressure, cardiac output, shock, in renal physiology, GFR, then gastric juice secretion, pancreatic secretion. So these are the most important topic amongst frequently asked questions in the paper 1. So that's all for this video. In next video, we will discuss the most important and frequently asked questions, that is LAQs, in paper 2. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.